FastCap, and this is how we do all of our processes. So we have these 8-step, 7-step processes. This is for making a label. You can see we have a process sheet right here. But beyond that, we use QR codes. Let me explain. So you want to know how to clean upstairs? The mopping upstairs is a QR code. You just scan it. There's also a 6-step process right there. You walk over to our bathroom, and there is the process for cleaning the bathroom. But of course, there's a video, the sink video, toilet training video, so you can cue that up really easily. Leading the morning meeting, and you want to know how to do it? Here's a 40-minute video on a training of the morning meeting. You scan that, and you can watch a video so you learn how to do that. You come over to the kitchen, there's QR codes, as well as a detailed list on how to perform all the tasks there. QR code gives you a full video on everything, all the power that's inside every box, how they're wired, what the power requirements are, all the details, what area the company it services. We have circuit breakers and boxes all over the facility. Everywhere there is one, there is a QR code with a video. Over to third-hand contractor packs, how to pack them. Of course, there's a QR code with a video, as well as the 7-step instructions. We come over production board because we got to build our Kanbans. Piecework, Fast Break XL, what do? You turn over QR code. Every production has QR codes, so we have a video for everything we do. So nobody's ever asking questions. You come over here, production standards, these are the standards we hold to. Oh, guess what? There's a video. Oh, guess what? There's a video. Everywhere you look, there's videos on doing everything. So what are you doing right now?
Fat Boy Red Refill.
Okay, how do you do it? Flip over the Kanban, right there, there's a video. Hey Kylie, what are you doing?
Doing cloud mold clips.
Okay, and how do you know how to do that?
I just follow the video on the back of this Kanban
card. And the Kanban's right there, tells her everything she needs to do, as well as everybody who's ever built it, the time it's taken, all the details are there, but most importantly, there's a video. So you want to know how to clean our backpack charger? Clean filter 1 time per week, every week. How to clean filter, QR code. So as you can see, we use training videos for everything. We have almost 10,000 videos online on a private channel called FastCap Training, and we use that to solidify a standard, and then we have people train people and watch and make sure the processes perform perfectly every time. So every Monday morning, we train people on how to clean the bathroom. Jamie is one of the trainers. We have 3 of them. Jamie, what do you do on Monday morning?
So Monday morning, when people come in, they'll notice on our little chart here, their faces. So what they do is they go through and they pick between either bathroom or sink. We float, we watch them do 1 toilet each, boy, girl, whichever one. Then we come out here and we check in on the sink, see if they have any questions and follow to see if they're following the process precisely and exactly how we've done the video.
And why do we do that?
For training and consistency. We want to hold the rope tight in all aspects of FastCap, so we want to make sure that if it starts in the bathroom, it's going to continue everywhere else in the facility.
And what happened when we weren't doing this?
There was variation. People were doing it their own way, and it's not the right way.
Even though we had a video?
Even though we had a video.
Yep.
Yes.
So we found out that we have to train
yes.
relentlessly.
Every Monday morning.
Perfect. Thanks, Jamie.
Yes.